Hi everyone, I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration of how to cut and tip spiral steel boning for corsetry. It's easy peasy, lemon squeezy if you know how. So here we have the corset boning. It's spiral steel, it's just the regular 7mm size, but this technique works on any. I've got a pair of wire cutters. They're very sharp. They don't look it. They're very old. I nicked them from my husband's toolbox. And I've got 2 pairs of pliers. This is important, 2 pairs. And I've got some of these little metal end caps. So first of all, spiral steel is actually two bits of steel springs pressed together. So you don't have to go like this and hurt your hands. You don't have to do this. All you have to do is nip one side like this and find the opposite side and nip there. And the thing easily comes apart. See, I told you it was easy. Now you can trim off the little jaggedy bits. At this stage, you could, if you wanted to, file the end here on an angle grinder or a metal file, and in fact this would then be smooth. You wouldn't actually need an end cap, but there are a lot of people who are suspicious of this, and so they use end caps anyway. So you get your end cap, you slide it on here. This is a bit fiddly. You get one set of pliers and hold. You don't have to squeeze anything yet, just hold it firm enough so that it doesn't fall off. Then get your other set and then you squeeze simultaneously like that. Now the end cap is on, but we might just want to give it another go, which I always do, and I just squeeze it down a bit more. And that's it. Easy peasy when you know how.